Hi guys, welcome back to another Tzar Physique video, and today we will be discussing different types of wish trainers and my experience with two different types of wish trainer materials. So today we'll first start with different types of wish trainers. So far I have seen 4 different types of wish trainers, and there are the clip and zip, the clips only, which is the most common type that people use, the sweat belt like what I have on right now, and the vest. Then now we are going to talk about my experience with 2 different types of wish trainer materials. I know some of you are gonna say, what is she saying? But sorry, my accent. My accent, maybe I should slow down a bit, but my accent. So I have seen the neoprene wish trainers and the latex wish trainers, and I have tried both of them. So far the neoprene wish trainers I absolutely loved. It's softer and I was able to do more of the exercises that I wanted to do. But the downside to it is that because you wear it so often and the material is soft, it tends to get worn out and wrinkled very easily after a few uses. And then the latex wish trainer, I would say at first it was a bit uncomfortable for me because it was actually the first time I was wearing a wish trainer. But a lot of people prefer the latex wish trainer over the neoprene wish trainer, me as well. And I think they have good reason too, because it is more sturdy and it actually hugs you and keeps in everything. So people with longer torsos, depending on the type that you choose, it covers the pouch and it doesn't fold up here. So for this I would certainly recommend the latex wish trainers. Also, it is very cost effective. Okay, thanks guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Also check us out on www.tzarphysique.com, and we'll see you on another video. Remember that we drop a video once every week, or we upload a video once every week, so don't forget to check us out. Thank you and bye.